Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Hiver pricing explainer. Hiver structures its pricing across two entirely distinct workspace philosophies. Hiver in Gmail, which builds collaborative features directly inside your native Google environment, and Hiver Omni, a dedicated standalone omni-channel platform engineered for teams that need to centralize email, live chat, Slack, and voice communications into one unified dashboard outside of a strict Gmail focus. Before we map out the financial logistics, if you're ready to see exactly how this platform can streamline your team's operations and eliminate email clutter, you can use my link down below in the description to book a free demo. It's the fastest way to see how it fits to your specific workflows before spending a single dollar. Now let's head over to the pricing sheets and break down exactly what you're paying for. The very first decision your organization needs to make occurs before you even choose a specific pricing plan. You must navigate to the primary product sector hub on the website to decide between Hiver in Gmail or Hiver Omni. If your team is completely entrenched in the Google ecosystem and uses Google Workspace for absolutely everything, Hiver in Gmail is your logical landing zone. It works via a lightweight browser extension that seamlessly weaves shared inboxes, internal notes, and team assignments directly into your familiar Gmail sidebar interface. On the flip side, if your team utilizes a mixed tech stack, relies heavily on external platforms, or requires a dedicated browser-independent command center that balances multiple incoming pipelines simultaneously without cluttering a personal inbox, you will want to select Hiver Omni. The brilliant part about Hiver's commercial model is that both parts utilize a mirror image tier system across their scope paid plans, meaning your choice is entirely about your preferred interface environment rather than a penalty on feature availability. Now, for startups, independent creators, or small teams just dipping their toes into collaborative communication, Hiver offers a surprisingly robust free plan that costs exactly $30. While many enterprise platforms gatekeep their free trials behind a strict 7-day expiration date, this plan remains free permanently. When you activate the free tier, your team gains access to a functional workspace that includes unlimited user seats, foundational shared inboxes, basic email management, live website chat, and an external knowledge base builder. You also get round-the-clock email and live chat technical support, which is practically unheard of for a $0 software tier. However, you must be aware of the operational ceiling here. The free plan completely omits any form of rule-based automation, service level agreement tracking, or customer satisfaction metrics. It's an excellent sandbox for manual email triaging, but the moment your incoming volume scales to the point where manual assignment becomes a bottleneck, you will naturally find yourself looking at the paid upgrades. The moment you need to eliminate the who is answering this email guessing game, you need to transition to the growth plan. This plan sits at $25 per month when you select the annual billing toggle, or $35 per user per month if you prefer the flexibility of a monthly contract. The growth plan introduces several critical automated functional menus that completely change how a shared inbox operates. You have collision alerts. This interface warning system visually flags a thread the exact millisecond another team member clicks on it or begins typing a response, instantly preventing the embarrassing nightmare of duplicate customer replies. Then, automatic assignment. You can head into the workflow settings and configure the platform to auto-assign incoming tickets in a strict, fair round-robin fashion across your active team members. Rule-based automation. This allows you to build condition-driven workflows. For example, you can dictate that any incoming message containing the word invoice or billing is instantly tagged, categorized, and routed straight to your finance department without human intervention. Basic analytics. You gain access to a dedicated conversation analytics dashboard that provides real-time visibility into overall team workloads, incoming message volumes, and average initial response times. Now, if you're managing an established customer service desk an IT support team, or a high-velocity logistics operation, the growth plan might still feel a bit restrictive because it lacks deep performance guardrails. This is why Hiver highlights the Pro plan as its most popular tier. The Pro plan is priced at $55 per user per month on an annual agreement, scaling up to $65 per user per month if you stick to the monthly billing. Moving to this tier opens up the advanced workflows and governance hubs. The single biggest inclusion here is full SLA management with custom business hours. You can establish hard rules stating that high priority clients must receive a resolution within 2 hours. If a ticket approaches that limit without an update, the system triggers automated breaches, escalating the thread to a manager's attention. At this point, if you're realizing that your team is wasting hours every single week playing email tag, it's time to see these automated systems in action. Don't forget that you can click my exclusive link down below in the description to book a completely free demo. It gives you a personalized high-level walkthrough tailored exactly to your unique business operational structure. Alongside SLAs, the Pro plan unlocks CSAT surveys module, which automatically appends a clean feedback rating form to the bottom of your team's outgoing resolution emails, giving you direct data on customer satisfaction. You also gain access to load balance assignment rules, which allow you to set an explicit cap on the number of open tickets an individual agent can hold simultaneously, preventing employee burnout during sudden volume spikes. For large-scale operations, highly regulated industries, or enterprises requiring absolute custom control over data architecture, Hiver offers its top-tier plan, the Elite plan. This tier requires an investment of $85 per user per month when billed annually, or $95 per user per month on a monthly cycle. The Elite plan transitions your workspace from a standard shared box into an enterprise-grade help desk system. In this tier, basic round-robin routing is replaced by skill-based routing, allowing the platform's algorithm to analyze the content of a ticket and automatically direct it to the agent who possesses the specific technical certification or language skills required to handle it. Furthermore, the Elite plan includes HIPAA compliance protocols and secure single sign-on integrations, which are non-negotiable requirements for healthcare, legal, and financial institutions. For a customer success standpoint, Elite subscribers are assigned a dedicated customer success manager and receive complimentary custom-built hours, allowing your technical teams to partner directly with Hiver's developers to build bespoke API connections and unique software integrations. Now, one of the most valuable aspects of the current Hiver interface is its deep integration of native artificial intelligence, while it's fully unlocked on the Pro and Elite tiers. Instead of forcing you to purchase separate expensive AI add-ons, Hiver builds its AI copilot and AI agents straight into the primary workspace workflow. When your agents are managing massive multi-turn email chains, they can simply interact with the AI Copilot panel to instantly generate a concise, bulleted summary of the entire conversation history, thus saving minutes of manual reading time. The AI also analyzes the context of incoming tickets to offer smart, contextually accurate response suggestions that agents can approve and send with a single click. Furthermore, you can deploy autonomous AI agents to analyze customer sentiment, extract data points like tracking numbers or order IDs, and completely resolve routine Tier 1 customer inquiries without ever requiring a human touch. When calculating your exact monthly budget for Hiver, you cannot just look at the raw per user price tags on the screen. Accuracy is vital here. Hiver operates with a minimum entry requirement of 2 seats across all its paid plans, meaning you cannot purchase a paid tier for a completely solo operation. Additionally, you need to keep a close eye on your team's exact hiring metrics. While purchasing seats dynamically is straightforward, moving up into larger enterprise deployments can sometimes align with tier scaling rules. Always review your final checkout totals before confirming your deployment to make sure you're optimizing your user seat allocation perfectly. When you look at the complete landscape of Hiver's current ecosystem, the platform represents an incredibly powerful, friction-free alternative to standalone help desks. By keeping your team inside their natural communication flow, whether that is directly inside Gmail or within the clean Hiver Omni dashboard, it completely eliminates the steep learning curve associated with legacy support software. To wrap everything up and help you make an immediate decision, keep these 3 rules of thumb in mind. First, if you're a small team of 2 or 3 people managing low volume, start with a free tier to map your workflows without any financial pressure. Second, if your core goal is simply to organize accountability, stop duplicate replies, and run basic round-robin routing, the growth plan gives you the best bang for your buck. Third, the moment your business success relies on strict response times, measuring customer satisfaction, or deploying powerful AI automation to handle high volumes, bypass the lower options and go straight to the pro plan. The software architecture is masterfully designed, but it truly shines when you match the tier precisely to your team's everyday operational bottlenecks. If you're ready to stop drowning in a chaotic inbox and want to see exactly how these tools behave using your own real-world scenarios, make sure to use my link down below in the description to book your free demo today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.